In this lesson, we are going to look at addition, subtraction, and multiplication of matrices. So, we are looking at 3 operations that involves matrices. Now, let's begin with the addition of matrices. Now, for you to add matrices, make sure that the order must be the same. So, let's say for example, we have matrix A with elements 2, 7, 7, 3. Then also matrix B with elements 0, 2, 2, 0. So here we can see that we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Now let's look at the order of matrix A. Now, order of a matrix can be found by stating the number of rows followed by the number of columns. So, from the first matrix A, we can see that we have 2 rows, row 1 and row 2. So, it's a 2 by, then we have also 2 columns. So, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So, we have a 2 by 2 matrix. Then also for matrix B, we can see that the order is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So these two matrices can be added since they have the same order. Now let's find the sum of A and B. So A plus B. So the pattern is you need to begin with the first matrix. So our first matrix here is matrix A with elements 2, 7, 7, 3 plus. Then matrix B with elements 0, 2, 2, 0. So now how do you add matrices? So what you are going to do is each element from matrix A will be added to its corresponding element in matrix B. So what this means is these two will be added with the 0. Then the 7 with the 2, so we are going to have this one. So 2 plus 0, then the 7 will be added with the 2. So this will be 7 plus 2. Then here we are going to have 7 plus 2. Here 3 plus 0. Then our final answer, we can see that we are going to have 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 2, that is 9. 7 plus 2, another 9. 3 plus 0, we have 3. So this is the sum of matrix matrix A and B. Let's try another example. Now, this time, let's say we have a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have matrix C with elements 1, 0, 4, 0, 6, 4, 5, 0, 8, and D. Our D has 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Then 1, 1, 6 here. Then negative 4, 3, 3. So you can pause the video and give it a try. So let's find the sum of C and D. So we are going to do the same. So 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 4 plus 1. Then 0 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 6. 5 plus negative 4, then 0 plus 3, 8 plus 3. Now let's find our final answer here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 0 plus 3, that's 3. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 6, we have 10. Now here we have a positive and a negative, so we are going to subtract. So 5 plus the negative 4, that is 1. This is same as the 5 plus negative 4, which is we can multiply positive times negative is negative 4, which is 5 minus 4, which is the 1. So we have our 1 here. Then 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11. So I'm sure now you have a picture on how we can add two matrices. So remember, matrices can be added if they have the same order. Now let's have an example where we can subtract two matrices. Now addition and subtraction goes in the same way. So even subtraction requires the two matrices to have the same order. So let's have here, this time we have matrix E with elements 1, 2, 3, then 4, 0, 8, 3, 2, 1, then matrix F, negative 2, 1, 0, then 4, 4, so 4, negative 3, 6, then 2, 4, negative 3. So we are going to now use subtraction. So say E minus F is equal to, so the same way we did with addition. So the first number in our matrix E is 1 minus we have negative 2, then we have 2 minus 1, 3 minus 0. The second now row, 4 minus 4, 0 minus negative 3, 8 minus 6. The third row, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 4, then 1 minus negative 3. So let's now finalize our answer. So here we can see that we are going to have negative times negative, so positive 2. 2 minus 1, that's 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we move on to row 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then here we have this negative, so it's 0 plus 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Here we are going to multiply also negative times negative, so this will be 1 plus 3. So our final answer, 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 1, 3, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2, 1, negative 2, 1 plus 3, that is 4. So as you can see, addition and subtraction of matrices is very simple. Now let's look at the multiplication of matrices. So let's say we have two matrices. Matrix A with elements 5, 2, 2, 1. Then another matrix B with elements 1, 2, 2, 6. So the first we are going to find matrix, the product of matrix A and B. Now, during multiplication, we need to understand that we are going to use the row by column principle. Now, let's first determine the order of matrix A. So matrix A has the order of 2 by 2, and also matrix B has the order of 2 by 2. So for you to multiply two matrices, these two numbers must be the same. So the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrices for you to use the multiplication principle. Then if you want to know the order of the product that we are getting can be determined by the saying we have 2 by 2, then another 2 by 2. So these numbers gives us the go ahead. Then this one will give us the order of the product. So in our case, the order of matrix AB. So our AB will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's move on. So the first, so we are going to say this row will multiply with this column. So that is the principle behind the multiplication. So this will be the 5 will multiply with 1, then plus the 2 will multiply with the 2, so it's 2 times 2. We are done with this, the first column of the second matrix. So we can now move on to the same. This row will multiply now with the second column. So we are going to get now, this time the 5 will multiply with the 2 plus the 2 times 6. So now we have the picture on how to do with the multiplication. So the second, now we need to we look at the second row of the first matrix, then we'll do the same. So it's row by column. So we can see that we have 2 times 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Then it's 2 times 2 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So let's simplify our answer. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 2, that's 4. 5 times 2, we get 10. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 times 2, that's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 times 6 is 6. So our final answer, 5 plus 4 is 9. 10 plus 12, that is 22. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, we get 10. So this is the product of the two matrices A and B, and we can see that the order is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's try another example. So let's say we have matrix C with elements -2, 3, 0, 5. Then the second matrix D with elements 5 and 2. So let's look at the order of matrix C. So the order of matrix C is 2 by 2. Then the order of matrix D, it's 2 by 1. So we can see that we have the same two numbers. So these two numbers, so therefore we are qualified to use multiplication operator. So we can go ahead. So now the last two numbers, this one will give us the order of the answer that we are going to get after we multiply the two matrices. So we are going to use the same principle. We are going to use the row by column principle. So let's begin. Let's find matrix CD. So we have -2 times 5 plus 3 times 2. Let's go to the second row. Here it's 0 times 5 plus 5 times 2. So -2 times 10, that's -2 times 5 is -10, plus 3 times 2, that is 6. 0 times 5 is 0, plus 5 times 2 is 0. So we can now finalize our answer. -10 plus 6 is -4. Then 0 plus 10 is 10. So we can see that we have a 2 by 1 matrix. As we can see, 2 by 1 matrix. So this is how we can multiply matrices. Let's try another one, the last one. So let's say we have matrix E with elements 4, 2, 2, 4. Our F 2, 12, 1, 9, 10, 3. Okay, so now let's look at the order of matrix E. So matrix E is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then for F, it's a 2 by 3 matrix. So you can see that we have the same numbers. So we can go ahead and multiply the two matrices. Then this one will give us the order of our answer. So the order will be a 2 by 3 matrix. So let's find EF. So we have the row by column. So it's 4 times 2 plus 2 times now 9. So now by now you've gotten the concept behind the multiplication of matrices. Then we move on to the second, this column. So 4 multiplied by 12 plus 2 times 10. We go to the third column, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 3. Let's go on the second row of the first matrix. So it's 2 times 2 plus 4 times 9. We go to the second column. It's 2 times 12 plus 4 times 10. Then the last column, it's 2 by 1 plus 4 times 3. So let's now simplify our answer. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 times 9, that is 18. Then 4 times 12, that is 48, plus 2 times 10, that is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, we have 4, plus 4 times 9, that is 36. 2 times 12, 24, plus 4 times 10, that is 40. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 times 3, we have the 12. Now let's find our final answer. So 8 plus 18, we get 26. 48 plus 20, that is 68. 4 plus 10, 4 plus 6, that is 10. 4 plus 36 is 40. 24 plus 40, 64. 2 plus 12 is 14. So this is our final answer. So as we can see, it's a 2 by 3 matrix. So this is how we can add, subtract, and multiply matrices. I'm sure now you have the picture. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification as soon as I post new lessons. Share, and thanks for watching.